Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I recently had a shoulder surgery and I was looking to add red light therapy to aid in my recovery. I want to show you this red light therapy device from DGYAO that I absolutely love. This therapy wrap is awesome because it is so lightweight and easy to use. It's made from this really soft material that is thin, it's not overly bulky, and it's super soft. And I also love that this works with a battery pack, so it makes it super portable. This little battery pack is also the remote control and is the way to adjust your settings. It attaches with 5 magnets to the wrap itself, and once it's in place, you are ready to start your therapy. There are several modes to choose from, and you can really customize the therapy however you like. There are 5 intensity settings on the lights, and you can choose to have red lights and infrared lights, or just the red or just the infrared. And you can also choose the time, anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes, and it will auto shut off when it's done. It comes with a little charging brick and a USB-C cable to charge up the battery pack. And that is super convenient that it's battery operated because you can take this anywhere with you. You do not have to be sitting near an outlet and strapped to a cord. You can take this with you wherever you want. You can even stand up and walk around and do stuff with it if you need to, although I usually like to take the time to just chill out and relax a little bit. And I do feel like this device has helped me with the discomfort that I've been feeling. So if you are looking for a way to add red light therapy or near infrared therapy to your wellness routine, then I would definitely recommend this product from DGYAO. I've been really happy with it, and that's my point of view.